In this video, you're going to learn how to create a realistic 3-character AI podcast scene using only free tools. We'll animate each character separately from one single image and then combine everything into one smooth final video. Just follow the steps carefully, even if this is your first time. Step 1. Generate the image in Whisk. First, we're going to create one image that contains all 3 characters together. Open Whisk by Google and generate a 3D style scene of 3 animated characters sitting in a modern podcast studio, with microphones in front of them. Make sure the lighting, camera angle, and background are the same across the entire image. This will help the final animation look realistic and consistent. Step 2. Analyze the image in ChatGPT. Once the image is ready, upload it to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to analyze the image and generate 3 separate prompts, one for the character on the left, one for the character in the middle, and one for the character on the right. Each prompt should include a detailed description, camera angle, natural lip sync, subtle head movement, and occasional blinking, while the other 2 characters remain completely still. Step 3. Animate character 1 in Grok AI. Next, open Grok AI and upload the same image. Paste the first prompt, the one for the character on the left, and generate the animation. Only the left character should be speaking. Download the video once the result is ready.
Welcome to today's
Step 4.
episode,
Animate the other 2 characters. Repeat the same process for the middle character. Upload the image again, replace the prompt, and generate the animation. This time, only the middle character should speak, while the others stay still. Download the clip and then do the same for the character on the right. Step 5. Assemble in CapCut. After generating all 3 clips, open CapCut and import the videos into your timeline. Place them back to back in the order you want the conversation to flow. Remove any silence or gaps so the speech transitions smoothly. Use subtle jump cuts and a light zoom effect to make the video feel natural. Turn on auto captions for clarity and keep background music at a low volume. Final polish and export. Before exporting, adjust your audio levels so the voice is clear and balanced. Export the video in 1080p for the best quality. At this point, your 3-character podcast animation is complete and ready to share. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more AI video tutorials and let me know in the comments how many characters you want to see next.
Even when life gets busy.
And don't worry, we'll keep it practical with tips you can start using today.